Hi class, last week we talked about words that have suffixes. Remember words that have a group of letters at the end of your word, like the suffix ly or the suffix ful, full. Today we're going to talk about a prefix. Now a suffix goes on the end of a word. A prefix goes at the beginning of a word. We are going to practice these prefixes, and we have learned about these before, so this will probably be a little bit of a review for you. So the first suffix, not suffix, prefix we're going to talk about is the prefix re. Remember, you can add re to the beginning of a word to make a new word, like redo. The suffix re means to do it again. So if you made the word redo, it changes the meaning of the word do to mean do it again. If you added re to the word make, you have the new word remake, which would mean to make it again. All right, that's the first suffix. And then the next suffix we're going to talk about is un, the suffix un. Un means not when you add it to a new word. For example, let me think of a word here. Unzip. If your coat is unzipped, that means it is not zipped, right? Let's think of another word here. Unwrap. Oh, I spelled that wrong. Unwrap means it is not wrapped. Okay, so when you add these prefixes to a word, it changes the meaning. Okay, we are going to practice some of these words right now. You look at the corner of your screen, there I am. Your first word is untie. Untie. Your next word, unfair. Read them with me, class. Unfair. Refill. Refill. Return. Rezip. Relock. Unwrap. Undo. And last, we have unpack. All right, you're going to practice with these this week as well as counting syllables, and I will see you all very soon.